To indicate the present time. Right now, just now, now or never. She is busy right now, but she'll call you back later. I finished my homework just now. It's now or never if you want to apply for the job. To emphasize immediate action or urgency. Do it now, act now, stop now. Do it now, or we'll miss the deadline. We need to act now to save the environment. Please stop now, you've said enough. To contrast with the past or future, now and then, now but not before, now and forever. I enjoy a quiet evening at home. She's confident now, but she wasn't always like this. They promised to stay together now and forever. To indicate a change of state. Now it's clear, now I see. Now that I've explained it, do you understand? Now I see what you meant about the problem. To express a continuation or sequence. Now and next. Now for the hard part, now comes the fun. Now for the hard part, let's discuss the budget. Now comes the fun part of decorating the house. Common collocations with now, now or later, now and again, right now. Would you prefer to talk now or later? I visit my old school now and again. Let's get started right now.